Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is a very cold day today. Lots of wind out there and the wind chill is like -30. I just went for a walk and I came back and I said, well, maybe I'll just do a little Zulily unboxing because I don't feel like sitting in front of the camera today. My face is all red from being out there. So I will just sit behind the camera. Hopefully you'll be able to see everything I'm showing you. And I just have two boxes here, nothing too big and fancy. It's probably just a couple things, so I will just start with the smaller one first. It feels pretty light. I still haven't completed my Christmas hauls as yet, so, and there is just one item in this box, which they've wrapped pretty nice. Hope it's not broken because I remember the last time what happened. Okay, so it's a little snowman ornament. So I just bought this because I thought it would look good in my Christmas village, and it's actually cute and small because my Christmas village ornaments are tiny, so it'll look pretty cute in there. I didn't get to put this out for last Christmas, but I'll just go and wrap it back in that paper and put it with my Christmas stuff so that I can have it for next time. Kind of cute, and it's got a little candy cane and stuff like that, so that's super cute. Okay, so I'm gonna open the OtterBox now. It's kind of awkward sitting behind the camera because I'm used to sitting in front of it all the time. And I was debating which video I should do today because I would really like to get a jump on getting my other stuff on camera, but I'm too busy and I'm also studying at the moment, so maybe I'm going to be taking a little break from YouTube because I've got to concentrate on my studies as well, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is another Christmas item in this box, and a dress. So it's got a green ornament Christmas tree and a pink midi dress in a size medium. So maybe I'll start with the dress first. Pretty nice. It's got, I don't know how good you'll be able to see this, but the front of it is kind of like a wrap style in the top here, and it's fits like under the knees, so it's a good length. It's the length that I would like to have. And it has a tie, and pretty simple, but you can also dress it up with nice heels and nice purse and nice jewelry. So I've been eyeing this for a while on Zulily, and then it went on sale and I just grabbed it because they had my size. I don't remember what brand it is, just what it says on here is that's the brand. So I don't know, I think it's Eloges or Eloges or something. So see, it's in a size medium, which is the size I always wear. Sometimes I can get away with a small. It depends on the make of the fabric. So I'm gonna try this on and see how it looks. So that's the dress. And then I've got a little ornamental tree. It's glass, and I was looking at this and I liked it. I also did see it in the store. I know they're pretty tiny, but kind of reminds me of like a Charlie Brown tree of some sort, and it comes packaged really nice. So when I'm ready to put it away, I can put it back in the same box. It's got the foamy. So this is what it looks like, and it's got a nice sponge on the bottom so it doesn't slip or scratch the surface you're putting it on, and it's like a mirrored bottom. And then in the little box I think these are the ornaments that go on top of it. So they're all wrapped really nice with foam in there. So these are what they look like. They're cute. I guess they're easy to break. So you just put one on and you decorate it. That's pretty cute. I really like this. This is cute. I think I can also put it in my Christmas village as well. Really nice. I wish I had opened this box earlier. I've had this box sitting there for the longest time. And then I said, well, I just need to start opening these boxes because, you know, it's getting late and in the year and I just need to see what's inside and stuff like that. And mind you, I'm pretty sure I got everything I ordered, so it's not a case where I'm doubting anybody, but it's nice to organize your place and just put the stuff away instead of having boxes upon boxes lined up in the bedrooms. So that's what it looks like. I think it's pretty cute. I love it. They had different colors as well for the ornaments. Tree is the same color, but they had different colors for the little bally things. A nice little detailing right here. So I think that's pretty cute. I love that. I think it can go pretty nice in my Christmas village. That is super cute. Well, that's it, guys. Just a couple things. And oh yes, my little snowman. He can go right there next to the tree. Yeah, so I just thought I would open up this box and show you. Get that out of the way. Now I'm gonna wrap this stuff back and put it back as neatly as possible so that it doesn't break. I've got to go try my dress on and see if it fits. So I decided I wasn't going to order from Zulily for a while, but I cracked and I ended up buying a few tops because I always feel like I don't have enough tops for fall, and that's when it starts to cool down and I need to have long sleeve stuff. So I ordered a couple. I also got a couple cold shoulder styles which I don't have, and I've always been looking for that and never can get my size. It's either I go on the site too late, the sizes are gone, or the season is gone for it and I don't get any. So I think I've got a couple of those as well, so I'm pretty excited about that. And yeah, that'll look super cute. So I did order some stuff from them and I'm waiting for it to come in. And I've got a budget I'm going to be spending now in the future, so it won't be so much big shopping stuff until year end when it's Christmas time. But for now I do have a lot of boxes from Zulily that I have to open up, so I will be doing more hauls, just not big ones. And we've got to go to Grand Prairie in February, so I want to go look at a couple things, and if I like them I will pick them up. Plus that's after Valentine's. I'll probably check Jonathan's and see what the Valentine collection looks like, because viewing it on the website you can't really tell if it's too small or if it's really nice. It's better to see it in person. Some charms I do take a risk and order without seeing, but these ones I would like to see them up close and maybe try to create a Valentine bracelet, because I don't have one as such. I do have lots of charms I can put on a Valentine bracelet, but I like to rearrange them really nice and stuff. Like I will know when I pull one bracelet out, that's my Valentine one. Like how I've got one for Christmas that I wear all the time. So I like to have spring ones, birthday ones, Christmas, Valentine's, and stuff like that. So we'll see what happens. Okay guys, well that was my little haul, and I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.